Learning about friction from a textbook can be dry for kids, but figuring out a way to overcome friction by moving an object from one place to another without touching it can be an interesting challenge. Let's Build, Engineering Fun for Kids, wants to bring science to life for students to cultivate a lifelong love of engineering. The Needham Free Public Library is currently holding a series of workshops to give children between the ages of 6 and 8 the opportunity to build and solve problems.
The library asked Let's Build to come and run 4 engineering sessions for the kids in this area. And this is class number 2. It's called, I believe, Engineering for Real People Using Everyday Stuff. And the goal of it is to just try to help kids see engineering in a way that's engaging and accessible, to sort of open it up for them as a future career, but also to get them thinking about various different ways to solve problems in our world generally, but also immediate problems that they may have around them, and for them to begin to engage some critical thinking skills in ways that they might be able to address some of these problems. The goal today, very specifically, is moving heavy objects. And although they don't necessarily know this, they're overcoming friction to move various heavy objects. And as they experiment with different materials, different designs, they're noticing that popsicle sticks flow over the rug more easily than foam does, and paper is different even than popsicle sticks, and that they have to attach their string very tightly, or the weight of the heavy object they're moving will cause their string to just pull right off. So that's what we're doing today. And so far everyone has come up with a design and has moved the lighter 2 objects, and not so many people have done our heaviest object yet. They're working on it. I hope that they have a really good time, and I hope that they associate science, technology, engineering, and math with really fun, interesting problems that are applicable to their everyday life. This kind of learning is really important to me because I believe that when you connect abstract concepts like friction to real-life experiences, the learning is very deep. And then in turn, that deep learning allows kids to apply it in other realms, right? So it's not existing just in the classroom in a textbook, it's existing through their real-life experiences. And that's one of the reasons I run this program in the way that I do.